Okay, Noble in Florida, 549. Got your 6900 here on the bench. And there is your homemade crystal ovens around both your low and high frequency crystals. Okay, I epoxied the resistor to the crystal and then hooked it up to 12 volts, constant 12 volts. So as long as the radio's connected to 12 volts, there's 12 volts going to those resistors that are epoxied to the crystals, which should help the crystals stay at a certain temperature. And then you see I made the enclosures around the crystal and the resistor and filled it with hot glue and created a homemade crystal oven. So that should stabilize your frequency on this thing. I know they drift a few kcs as the temperature changes, but that should slow that drifting down a whole lot. Now I turned it on or connected it up 45 minutes ago and set the frequency, and it's been right there ever since. Okay. Alright, I also soldered all of the inductors together. Both crystals are connected to ground. You see what they do with this, they got a little solder connection between the crystal and ground. They do that on all of them. This crystal, the one over here, was connected to these guys. Okay. And there's the wires that are powering the two resistors. And it's connected to a constant 12 volts over here at the power switch. Alright, I'm going to leave it on for 24 hours and see if it moves. Okay, buddy, more to come. Okay, there, Noble. There's your new fan. There's a new heat sink compound. There's your old fan. Get that out of there. That's what your amplifier looks like. Right there. You got them two 2SC2290s in there. Okay, I'm putting it back together. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the cover on it. I need to glue that little guy in place because he keeps coming off. But there it is. All back together. Got the new fan installed. I had to install a new connector too because the old one was melting. It got too hot, probably from laying on the heatsink. They had this underneath the board. It was underneath like this. And so I put a connector on the top and plugged the new fan into the top. Okay, alright, more to come. Okay, Noble, got her all put back together here. I did the capacitor upgrade from 1000 to a 3300 on both the voltage regulator buffer filter and also the DC input buffer filter right there. It's also a 3300 up from a 1000. There's your two crystal ovens, homemade crystal ovens. Stabilize the frequency there, and we got the filters, all the filters installed, both your high cut filter and the Ranger noise filter. Okay, I'm getting ready to check her out. More to come. Okay, Noble, got it all put back together, buddy. These are your filters. Your noise blanker is now the Ranger noise filter. And the Roger beat button is now the high cut. So that's Ranger noise filter and then high cut. Nice. Okay, this switch right here that used to be your talkback now controls your amplifier. All the way counterclockwise in the off position, the amp is off. You're just operating on the radio. Let's see, put that in the ×1 position. Hello, 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 audio. About 18 watts in the ×1 position. And then if we turn the amplifier on, you just click that to the on position. You see every time you key the mic with the amp on, you get that little blue light there in the meter. Audio. Hello, audio. I'm on the 2.5 times 2.5 scale. So we're reading on that top scale there. 20 is 200. Audio. Hello, hello, audio. Audio. Now on this one over here, this is RMS. They both have 100 watt slugs in them. So we're reading on the bottom scale. Audio. Audio. You see it goes past 100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm just talking normal into the microphone. All right. Okay, buddy. You're all set. Noble, I sure hope you enjoy the mods I did to the radio for you. It was my pleasure to do it for you. 7 3s, everyone.